Oh, Bulk Foods. Swaset. Ice animal cookies, flaxseed, pretzels, butter flavored popcorn. Amy, oatmeal crumbs. This is Apple Jacks. Meron siyang Parmesan cheese, spaghetti, linguine pasta, wagon shells, bow tie, rainbow pasta, extra wide egg noodles, large pasta, inverted rice, long green. Those are rice. And this one is beans. Ha? Oo, safe yan mo. Everyday pinapalitan daw nila yan. Brown gravy mix, seasoned croutons, wonton strips, pink Himalayan pine, then we got Black Mission. Yeah. Give me snacks. Coffee creamer. Mga itik na to. Shredded frosted wheat. Blueberry muffin mix. And muni is whole oats. And then meron silang ganito, yung mga chili gummy bears, chili peach mix. Let's go here, me. Glazed walnuts, pistachio me, oh. Salted, non-salted. Yeah. Ayun pala yung, ano may, yung sige, lakad ka. Yung, ano, yung cloves.
Oo. Saan?
Ito kanina eh.
Saan din ang clothes? Mga nuts yan eh.
Nuts ba yun?
Mga nuts.
Sorry, excuse me. Hindi ba cloves yung nakita ko? Wala na. Okay. Let's go.